I became interested in psychology long before formally studying organizational psychology. My curiosity came from my own challenges. Growing up, I struggled with anxiety, questioning my instincts, and difficult family dynamics, and I was searching for answers from a young age. I wanted to understand why I was reacting the way that I was to pressure and relationships because my actions were often taking me further from the life that I wanted. And that curiosity led into years of self reflection, research, and studying human behavior. And I started paying closer attention to my own habits and patterns and how I made decisions and why. And I was constantly searching for tools and answers that would help me to achieve my personal and professional goals with more confidence and clarity. And over time, the tools and frameworks and habits that I developed helped me to build stronger leadership and more effective communication and greater alignment, and the way that I approach both life and work. Now, years later, the same concepts became part of the foundation of the coaching and leadership work I now do with clients and organizations, informed by not only my personal experience, but also with over a decade of working closely with leaders through executive recruiting. And then, of course, my formal training in organizational psychology. My name is Amy Miller, and I work with leaders and teams on communication, decision making, leadership presence, and the kinds of challenges that affect performance and alignment inside organizations. If this is something you or your team are navigating, message me, Coach, or Workshop, and we can continue the conversation. Thanks for watching.